guide, even though you don't have your study guide yet. But your study guide says, xylem are tubes used to move water from the soil upward, which is what Rachel just read for us. Phloem are tubes used to move food back down through plants. So we are going to take our celery, our cup of water with food coloring in it, and we're going to observe how quickly the food coloring moves up through the celery, and that is going to show us basically an example of the xylem and the phloem, okay? And in my mind, when I read the definition of that, because I had to study a little bit to figure out what I was going to do with you, when I saw that tubes used to move food back down through the plants, made me think of phloem, because they both start with the F sound, food and phloem, so that's a good way to help you remember what that word is, or at least it helped me remember what that word is. So I'm going to call one person from each group, and we're going to do our experiment, but it's going to have to sit on your desk, because it isn't going to just shoot right up. The process has to take place for the water and the food coloring to get into the stem and to move up to water the plant, okay? And then after we get done watching a video, I'm going to show you a video that explains the process really well. And then hopefully next time I ask you, what did you read on those pages, you'll be able to know because you've seen it firsthand and you've watched the video and we've discussed it, okay? So I'm going to come drop some food coloring into our I'm putting a lot so we can really see. So we can really see through the veins and stuff of the celery when it starts moving. If you play with your cup and you play with your celery while we're supposed to just be observing, then your group will not be able to participate. And I will take your cup from you, and then you will just have to read from the book, okay? Because if this spills on someone, somebody's mama's probably not going to be very happy that they got green stuff all over them, okay? So I'm going to just put yours here since you're right there. Paige, come get this. Caden, come get your groups. So right now we're just going to observe. And in about 30 minutes we're going to come back and check. Be careful. You make them get yours. Put that in between the both of you. Jared? Leave it here. These groups are kind of on. Do you want to, Danny will be back, you said? Okay. We'll just leave it here for right here. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to watch a video that's going to kind of explain the process. You've already read it in your book yesterday. So today I wanted you to kind of see it.
Let's look at what